Shalane, I'm sure Miguel told you, but find this person, please. Give him a chainsaw enema. This guy took off like 10 years of steel off this scissor. At least 20 polishings, easily. All right, we'll clean him up. You got another 50 years, but we just can't add the all that critical metal that was removed. Jelena, sweat and vet your sharpeners. Make them take a before and after photo and ask them what their insurance policy is. If they did this to you, they're doing it to everyone else. You're good. You're good. You might be missing a half a cylinder from a supercar. Okay, so you got another I don't know, 60, 70 polishings. You'll go another 2 lifetimes.